Welcome. Today we have a Realme 12 Plus and we need to remove FRP Google app. So first, power off the device. Now go to the unlock tool, choose correct model, RMX3867. There we have preloader erase FRP. Now hold the volume up, volume down button and connect to USB cable. And there we have erasing FRP done. Now let's check the phone. Everything done. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and until the next time.